After 7 brutal plagues, Hashem continued to strike Egypt with 3 more in this week's Parsha, Parshat Bo. Included was a plague of darkness that Hashem brought over Egypt, which Rashi notes was darker than the nighttime and so thick that it was partially solid. After 3 days, the plague intensified, and the pasuk says, "A person could not see another, and for 3 days no one could get up from where he was, but all the Israelites had light in their dwellings." From here, we see that the plague evolved so that the Egyptians were not only blinded, but completely immobile. However, why did Hashem bring this plague of darkness at all? Rashi brings 2 answers to this question. The first is that Hashem did this because there were so many Jews who did not want to leave Egypt. Therefore, since they were disobeying him and wanted to remain in an immoral and impure land, Hashem deemed it just to kill them. However, he did not want the Egyptians to think that he was punishing these Jews in a similar way to punishing the Egyptians, as he did with his 10 plagues. So, he created a darkness in which he could get rid of these wicked Jews without the Egyptians thinking that they were comparable to a Jew. Rashi's second answer is that Hashem created an immobilizing darkness in order for the Jews to enter the Egyptians' houses and scout their riches without being halted. After all, the 10 plagues did not affect the Jews. Thus, the Jews were able to see and know where all of the riches in Egypt were. Later, when the Jews were leaving Egypt and wanted the Egyptians' wealth that Hashem promised him, the Egyptians said that they didn't have any. However, the Jews told the Egyptians exactly where their own riches were, forcing them to hand over their wealth with no excuses. Nevertheless, I have a further question. If the plague of darkness was a thick, partially solidified darkness that covered Egypt, how could the Jews have vision wherever they went? Like in the actual houses of Egyptians. The Egyptians couldn't see in their own houses, so how could the Jews? It can be derived from Rashi that since all of the wicked Jews were killed by Hashem in this plague, only the righteous Jews remained, and due to their righteousness, Hashem saw it fit to grant them vision in this darkness. So with that, the Jews were able to see wherever they traveled, like in the Egyptians' houses, to locate their riches. In summation, there is a beautiful lesson that can be learned from this. What happened to all of the Jews that could not see through the darkness they were in? What happened to all of the Jews that did not believe in Hashem and wanted to stay in a land of misery? They were the ones that perished in the darkness that they could not let go of. Moreover, unfortunately, a person can nowadays feel as if they are stuck in complete darkness. However, it is when they must look within to find the light that can shine outwards. After all, it was only the righteous Jews with faith in Hashem and a hope for a brighter tomorrow that made it through the dark to see the light. Shabbat Shalom.